If you've been on social media for more than 30 seconds, you've probably seen a page that looks like this. Well, this is a Linktree page that most beginner business owners use. And in this video, I'm going to first tell you why that's a terrible idea for your business. Second, I'm actually going to show you how to create a better, faster, more profitable alternative. So make sure you watch this entire video to learn how to get started step by step. Hello, my name is Alston Godbolt with alstongodbolt.com. And as a successful internet marketer, I've made money with everything from security cameras to web hosting, sound bars, and even online courses. If you want real affiliate marketing and internet marketing tips, tricks, and tactics, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to be notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for a free 4-step checklist to make money online with products that you already have. All right, so as I mentioned in this video, we're going to talk about why A, Linktree is bad, B, why there's a better alternative for you, and C, how you can get started today. Now, one of the biggest problems with Linktree is their downtime, or I should say uptime. If we jump into my computer, I'm going to show you two things. First, I'm going to show you Google Trends. Google Trends is a website that Google uses to show people and track what's trending. And so what I did, as you can see on my computer here, is I just searched, is Linktree down? Now you can see over the last 90 days, it has gone down substantially over the last 3 months that we know of. And so that's a problem if you are a business owner. Your downtime, your website's downtime directly impacts the amount of money that you can make. So you don't want to do that. Also, another way to show you basically the same thing is I searched over on Twitter, is Linktree down? And you can see consistently people are asking this question, is it down for maintenance? And believe it or not, Linktree's down for maintenance more than it should be. And that has a direct impact on your business. Now, that's one problem with Linktree. A second problem, and probably a bigger problem, is with Linktree, you don't actually own your website or your web page. And what I mean by that is if something happens, if Linktree all of a sudden decides that they don't like your content, they can restrict access and restrict who sees it, and they can actually terminate your account with little to no hesitation. So if you're making content that is slightly not safe for work, maybe even adult content, you run the risk of being terminated by Linktree. So that's number two, and that's really important if you are a small business owner, because businesses can just change their terms of service on a whim, and that can have a huge impact on your business. And the third way, if we jump back right into my computer here, Linktree starts off as being free, but if you want any additional features, you're going to have to pay $5 more per month. And the alternative that I'm going to show you actually will be cheaper per month. It will give you less restrictions, so you can create as many links and web pages as you want. You can create the type of content that you want. What I mean by that is, if your content is, slightly not safe for work, you own your website. You're not borrowing someone else's plan, and you have a little bit more freedom. Now, you don't have complete autonomy. You can't just put up whatever you want, but this is a much better alternative than using Linktree or Rebrandly or anything else out there. So now that we know a few reasons why Linktree is bad for your business, let's go ahead and talk about a better alternative. Now, the second link in the description will allow you to create a website in about 20 minutes for about $3 or $4 per month. Yes, you will need to pay a little bit of money up front, but real business owners do this. They're going to invest in their business, and they're going to make it back because they realize the value of their investment. So the first step that you want to take is you want to click the second link in the description and walk through the process of getting set up. When you get set up, you're going to get a free domain name for a year. So it's actually going to be your domain. That's another problem with Linktree. You're using someone else's domain. For example, my domain name is alstongodbolt.com. I'm the only person that owns alstongodbolt.com. Whereas with Linktree, there are millions of people that are on the platform, and it can get confusing and frustrating. So first step is you're going to go and get a free domain name by clicking the second link in the description. You're going to get set up with web hosting. It takes literally 20 minutes and everything's done for you. You just need to answer a few questions. You need to pay, obviously, and then they're going to literally you'll push a button and it'll get installed. You'll get installed with a free WordPress theme. Walk through that process in 20 minutes. What I would do here is I would pause the video, go through, sign up, and then come back once you've signed up so I can show you actually how to create a Rebrandly or Linktree-like web page. So at this point, you should have your web hosting, your domain name set up. So what we're going to do right now is I'm actually going to show you how to quickly and easily set up your own Linktree type website. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to jump into the back office. Your back office should look similar. If it doesn't, that's quite okay. What we're going to do next is we're going to go to Pages. Okay. And in Pages, we're going to create a new page. I'm just going to click on Add New here. And this is the cool thing about your new website. You can name your page whatever you want. So for example, if I wanted to create a page just for TikTok, so I can track the people that are coming in through TikTok, I can do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to call this TikTok. And so what will happen is when I publish this page, people that go to alstongodbold.com/TikTok will see our buttons or see our Linktree type website. And I can do the same thing for Instagram and YouTube and YouTube Shorts, and I can do this for forever because this is mine. I own it. And so what we're going to do is I'm just going to add in a quick sentence. I'm going to say, click the buttons below to learn how to make money online. All right. And so now that I have that, the next step is to hit enter like this. And then I'm just going to click this button, and then I'm going to type in button like this. I can do buttons just like that. And then I can, I'm going to give this a button. I'm going to say better than Linktree. All right. And so from here, I can change the color if I want. I can actually put in a URL. So my URL is going to be, let's say, www.espn.com like this. And then I can decide to open this up in a new tab. Click these three buttons, open link in a new tab, and then I can come back here. And if I want, I can change the color. So let's do color. Let's change the background color to orange like this. And there you go. Now yours may look a little bit different, but the process is the exact same. So now that I have that one, I can add in another one, and we're going to do buttons once again. And then I'm going to say, how to make money online like that. I get rid of the word button one more time. And then let's say I wanted to do a gradient. As you can see here, I can do a gradient. Let's do color 1579 AA like that. And then color 2, let's just do black. I think it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that. And then we can say this one will go to tiktok.com like that. Once again, we're going to open this up in a new tab. Come on, there we go. Open link in a new tab. And then what we can do is we can click on preview to see how this turns out. Preview like that, and then we can actually change the preview to mobile as well. And it's really that easy. As you can see here, we need to fix this button here, but you can see when I hover over it, it changes the color to let it know that it's active. We need to change this one though, but you can see that it's actually really easy, and this is yours. You know, the biggest thing is if you're using Linktree or you're using any of those other ones out there, you are renting, you are borrowing, and when you borrow something, it can be taken from you. But if you own it, if it's yours, like this web page and website is yours, you can do whatever you want. You have more freedom, not whatever you want. You can do more, and you have more freedom to take risks, to take chances. So let's do this. And then color 2, let's do that. And let's do preview once again. And then here we can actually preview this in mobile to see what it would look like in mobile. And again, this is much easier, much better than using something like Linktree. Wonder why that didn't update, but you can see here that this is better for your business. If you want better for your business, you are going to do something like this, okay? And I much recommend that you use something like this than Linktree for all the reasons that I mentioned before. So once you have your button squared away, the final step is just to click on publish. And once you click on publish, it is live, it is active for the entire world to use, see, and react to. And so basically what you're gonna do is you can take this web page that you just published and you can put it wherever you want, TikTok, Instagram, LinkedIn, and you won't have any of the hurdles or roadblocks that Linktree or some of those other websites have put out in front of you. Now that you know how to create a better Linktree alternative, click the first link in the description for my free 4-step cheat sheet to make money online with products that you already own. Click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next for more tips and tricks to make money online. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.